yes, people, this man, all the fire 777 back at it again. Yep, with another banger. Yep. So then at Georgetown, it's Saturday and it's Pirate Week. Same place there. Yeah. You can find a little bit of parking. Yeah, so I'll go check out the place and show you what I'm going in a Georgetown, Grand Cayman. You don't know when I celebrate pirates still, but I'm just vlogging. So yeah. And you know pirates rape and kill and all of them sitting and rob. So for them pirating, when I celebrate pirate, I'm just vlogging. Yes, so don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe! What else have to do? Subscribe. So I just show you what I go on in a Georgetown. Take a walk with me as I'm showing how I go on. On fire, hold the fire. Go. So this is how the park set up. A lot of people out here and thing. So I'll go around there, so a lot of people there and thing. Yeah. Show them set up a street. Yeah. See a lot of tents and thing. Yeah, a lot of people out come out with them family and thing. That is it. Yeah. So the street look. The street is all blocked up. That is it. As I say, we are in Georgetown, Grand Cayman. See the place look? Yeah. Crowded. Yeah. From front way, a lot of people out here. So it's Pirate Week, as I say. It's Pirate Week. We're celebrating pirating thing. Yeah. So just walk with me. I'll show you what I want. So yes, peeps, I'm just walking and seeing, capturing what I see right around the place. As I say, this is how it is in Georgetown. Yeah. Yes, so as I said, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Come on, all the fire 777 in Grand Cayman. Yes, a lot of crowd down here, as I can see. Yep. A lot of pirates and things, see? A lot of pirates. Yep. So I'm just gonna walk through the crowd like that. Yep. I'm just gonna walk through where I can walk through. Okay, let me get something to drink. Hold on. Yes, so I'll just get myself something to eat. Cranberry. Yep. Yes, so I'm heading through here to the town. And the people out. Just the conspiracy on fire. Love what I love. Reach the best of it. So we're just walking through and see what's happening here. Heading on to waterfront. A lot of food vendors and stuff right here. Local produce. So that is it, babes. It's Pirate Week in Grand Cayman. So we are now heading on to waterfront. them out. No? Cups are, yeah. Getting the piece. Yeah. Not like last year where all the streets was blocked off. The crowd, less crowded this year. So let's walk and check out what's happening.
I get a picture, pirate.
Yeah. what's happening. This is Pirate Week. This is how they celebrate Pirates Week. Yeah. That is it. Lots of pirates. So around this side now it's less nice, but this is Georgetown. This time of the year they are celebrating their Pirates Week. So just stick and stay with me, and if you're not subscribed, go and go subscribe. Press the like button. Like, comment, subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah, one fire, all the fire. Oh, what to do what you love, do it to the best of your ability. That is it. So this is a food court. Food vendors selling and thing. So I'm going to see what I can get to eat. So yes peeps, I'm gonna get something to eat now. So let's head to the food court. This is the food court. So I have here to eat. No fish, miss? Fish?
Fish, no. Baby, yeah.
No fish for me. It's only fish I want.
Come, Cassie, come.
No fish here, miss? Fish?
Fish?
Seriously?
Not a fish jar, but no fish.
Huh?
It is a fish jar, but no fish today.
Caribbean.
Yeah, Caribbean.
Caribbean. Yes, I'm not getting any fish, so let me see who has fish. Boiled fun, fish, from soup. Oh, yeah, this is the right place. Hello, miss. See seem like I'm gonna get what I want here. Serve here. Yeah, kung soup. Yeah. Yeah. Can I have a cup of
Is a
kung soup?
YouTuber?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss. Yeah? Holy fire, 777. Holy fire, 777. There? Right.
7 is a lot of
Good meaning.
good meaning.
Right. So this is the kung soup. Exactly. That's why I chose that. I don't want one of the escovitch fish though. I want one of the escovitch fish.
If I have to do it,
Yeah, I want one of the escovitch fish. Yeah.
you want one as well?
Yeah, I want one as well. Yes, I'm getting a kung soup and a escovitch fish. So in Jamaican they get good soup and good food. How much do I owe you? How much do I owe you?
Yeah, that hurt me, you know. One more tablet.
So that's the fish.
With rice now.
Yes, peeps, I'm gonna sit right here in the park and have my conch soup. Yeah, so the stick and stay. I'm done eat. Get back to you. So yes, peeps, it's now night and I'm still out here. Yeah. Just finished eating a fish. Yeah, just finished eating a fish. Yeah. Because I was really hungry. So I'm heading back to see what's happening here. So stick and stay. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. On fire, hold fire. this side. I think they're waiting on the fireworks. Yeah. So a lot of people around here. A whole lot of people. The street is crowded. I'm not here, sipping on something. That is it. Yeah, see the streets more look like Grand Market in Jamaica. Street is crowded. Family come out. I think they're waiting on the fireworks. I'm not sure. Yeah, but there's no music around here, no noise for that. See now people just sitting waiting. I guess the fireworks that they're waiting on. So just stick with me. Don't go nowhere. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. If you're not subscribe yet, subscribe now. And press the like button. One fire, all the fire. And now the fireworks starts. How beautiful, isn't it? Look at, just look at that. Yeah, so it's Pirate Week in Grand Cayman. And they have fireworks. They have it last night and they have it tonight. Yeah. Yeah, load dips. Yeah. That is it. Oh, it's beautiful. Everybody out looking. There's a boat all the way out there. It's coming from way out there. See? It is crowded. Closer view. Oops. That is it. So the people them are cheering. Yep. People are cheering tips. That is it. Yep. So everyone heading home now. And the fireworks is finished. Yeah, people are heading home now.
Hindi pala napindot. May pag-ikot pa ka daan. Nakatutok sa kanya.
Yep, so after the fireworks, everyone gonna head straight home or some after party. And this is the only time you see Cayman this crowded during times like these. Yeah, I like the pirates. Only in time like this is a Cayman this crowded. See a bunch of pirates there also. Yeah.
I think you can come with the boys on the block.
A whole lot of pirates here. A whole lot of pirates here. Yeah. Pirates are everywhere. There's a whole lot of pirates there. Yep. So that is it, folks. That is it from your man, Olifire 777. Yeah. So I am heading home now. And as I said, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yep. Subscribe, peeps. Subscribe. As I show you what's happening in Cayman, in Grand Cayman. Yeah. It's time to go home. Yeah, so even grandma them out. Kids out, everybody out. So yes, babes, this has been another vlog for your man, Olifire 777. Yeah. Yeah, this has been another one for your man, Olifire 777. And I are heading home now. Yes. Because today is Saturday and I'm uploading this video. We're getting it today, Saturday also. Tonight, so I'm going home tonight to upload this video. Yeah. And you know, holiday is coming up soon. So, I'm gonna do a travel vlog. Yeah. Maybe Jamaica. Not sure as yet. But you don't know Jamaica, my country still. Yeah. So, no? Maybe it's Jamaica. Where am I now? Let me see if I know where I am. Not now. Oh, there's a lot of people on the side, see me? But I'm heading across to my bus. Yeah. So see there, a lot of people in the place. Lots of people in Georgetown today, tonight. And it says Pirates Week. And I say, peeps, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yeah. One fire, holy fire. Love what you do what you love. Do it to the best of your ability. So, that is it, peeps. If you don't subscribe, go subscribe, share, comment. Big up on yourself. Until next time, peace out.